Sunday morning. Hello guys, beautiful people. It's sunny and this morning I woke up, I said go outside, enjoy it, and yeah, I will share random ideas and quick thoughts about AI because it's a hot topic and I have a train in 2 minutes, so let's go get the train. Oh my god, I'm late. Let's go! By the way, I'm using the Lavalier M2. This is the combo new microphone lavalier for iPhone. I mean, I have two lavaliers microphone. I put it on the jacket, and one receiver for camera, and two combo receiver for iPhone, one Lightning and one USB-C. Probably with a windproof here. You don't hear a lot of noise because it's a windy day, but yeah, let me know it. Well, I've never been here in this park. It's a very nice spot, protected from the wind, especially today. And I didn't tell you, but this video has, yeah, it's a talking vlog, so commentary for sharing thoughts about, yeah, software engineering topic. And yeah, I'll probably share a quick thought about artificial intelligence, if it's important to be worried about, and if it's taking your job. So let's stay until the end of the video for knowing that answer. Do you know that Java is one of the most popular language in Switzerland and a highly paid job? So with quite often full stack engineering skills. So the most popular stack is Java, Spring, Angular. I've seen some jobs about React as a front-end framework, but it's yeah, it's probably most popular the Angular as a front-end framework. And there are tons of positions about Java backend engineer, highly paid. Pretend or negotiate your salary between 130 and 150K per year as a Java senior backend engineer with probably 5 or 7 years experience. That's it. It's a highly paid job. So I jumped on LinkedIn right before to see how many job posts there are about artificial intelligence in Switzerland. Didn't find so much, but again, I think that Java, Spring framework and Angular are most demanded job and skills in Switzerland, highly paid. So if you want to find a job, also remote position. So the coffee store should be around here. Oh, Starbucks here. I never go to Starbucks, so popular. There are tons of coffee shop where you can get very good cafe latte, espresso, macchiato. Favorite one is mocha takeaway because you have the, it's probably down there. Let's go check it. I think I found it. Calico will leave coffee. All right, let's go grab some coffee. Bonjour. Actually, I take this one. Well, I usually don't take short coffees, but for tasting this one, I think it's good. Tastes very, very good. test. So I actually don't know if I'm recording a good quality, so I should probably get to a coffee shop, open my MacBook and hear the audio that I'm recording. Well, since I don't have a solid opinion about artificial intelligence and the fact that it will take your job or not, so I cannot tell you it's good, it's not good, it will steal your job or not. But in this video, I will tell you two things. One, it's now companies, especially in Switzerland, I'm talking about Swiss companies because I know well Swiss companies, so the companies don't trust this kind of tools like ChatGPT, just for mentioning the most popular at the moment. So the companies don't trust the fact that you put your code into a prompt like ChatGPT. So I don't think today some company will fire a software engineer and hire a prompt software. So I don't think that you will be fired. I know companies that say to developers, you don't have to put your code into ChatGPT prompt because we don't trust it. So reason number two will come later. And also, what a prompt engineer can do if it starts typing code and then receive the answer from ChatGPT in a form of code, and it pastes the code into an IDE and it doesn't understand what it's actually doing. So the company will finally need a software engineer for understanding the code. Yeah, that's it. Well, I was also surprised to see senior front-end engineer, like senior Angular skills on a job posting on LinkedIn. Because sometimes what you see is a full-stack engineer, mostly back-end engineer positions, but not specifically front-end engineer. When I realize that people are watching me while filming, it makes me feel like I'm a reporter. Well, don't mind about opinions of being judged, being watched. It's the same thing as being judged if you can code or not. Here we go, Boreal coffee shop. This is one of my favorite spots. Look at the colors. Should probably buy one of these too. It smells so good in here. I should probably take a coffee and keep on coding. Well, it's not actually a coding vlog, coding day. I just want to show you. I have a few projects to maintain on my GitHub, and the most complete project in full stack is the dev connector. The idea is to create the backend in Java. So the same backend I'm still using on my dev connector is actually in Node.js, Prisma, supabase as the authentication, and the migrations are actually on supabase itself, so I'm hosting. Should I use the CRUD operation from supabase or just hosting my own migrations in Prisma on supabase? Yeah, that's the question I received during one of my videos. I think that the most insanely skill that a human can have, it's the problem-solving skill. And this is a skill that if you're good, not coding, but a problem-solving skill person, you won't be replaced by an AI. This is what I was thinking before. I was actually very surprised how many interactions I had on the Spring and Spring Boot quiz I throw on my YouTube page community. So thank you for that. I hope you appreciate it. And it's a mind refresher. Software engineers as me with a few years of experience, and allows me to keep in mind fundamentals about Spring and Spring Boot. So the first step for the plan to migrate my backend in Java from Node is flyway migrations, GPA and Hibernate doing their job for the persistence, but also using flyway, so creating SQL files, migration scripts for having all of the CRUD operations. I have a local database and then hosting my PostgreSQL database, Node.js, TypeScript, Prisma here with Postgres, database migrations, so all of the backend on Java, CRUD operations with SQL and flyway, and then we will see for probably the storage I will keep on supabase with avatar, PNGs, images, and the authentication I will probably use the basic auth in Spring Boot and an SSO with GitHub and Google or Facebook, I don't know. I have a question for junior software engineers. So what do you think about training and the certifications? If you're starting to learn to code as a software engineer, do you take courses, free courses, YouTube courses, or you pay like Udemy, online certifications? Drop a comment in the video. Network error. Okay, it's becoming fun. This is one of my favorite parks in Geneva, Parc des Bastions. It's close to the university. And when you get here, you feel so inspired. I'll spend the whole day here with a laptop. It feels so calm in here. You can breathe. Wow, look at this. Look at that thing, I love it. Alright, it's enough talking for today, and you're probably waiting for the second and most important answer about why you won't be replaced by an AI, or no matter what, or no matter who, as a software engineer. It's because it's you and you only. You're a human, you act like a human. An AI cannot have your skills and the way you act, the way you think. The only thing that is important for today is to learn how to work with an AI. If you guys want to survive in this field, I really suggest you to keep learning, keep coding. Don't think about something that will replace you, will steal your job, because also another person can steal your job. So if you don't want to be replaced by anything else, just keep learning, keep coding, keep digging and improving your skills and strengthen your knowledge about what you already know. And if you have this mindset, you won't be afraid. You'll never be afraid. You you will keep winning as a software engineer. Yeah, that's it. Wow, that was a hell of a speech. And I forgot to tell you, most important, subscribe to my channel. Peace.